Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I created this fun and simple eye look inspired by a look that the WWE Glam Squad did on the gorgeous Charlotte Flair. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. As always, I've already applied my face makeup and eyebrows, and I can move on to applying NYX's Jumper Pencil and Milk to my lids as a base, and then using the warmth of my fingertips to blend it out. Starting with a greyish brown shadow called Pudding from the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette on a small fluffy brush, and applying that to my crease and blending it out and upwards towards my brow bone. And also sweeping some of that shadow under my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the shade Coconut Cream from that same Too Faced palette and patting that onto the inner 2/3 of my lid. And this colour is a matte yellowish white. I'm then taking a navy pencil liner and running that across my upper lash line and slightly winging it out at the end. With a matte cobalt blue shadow, I'm using an angled brush to press the shadow into the liner and continue that wing out and upwards towards the end of my brow in a flick. I'm then drawing a second wing that runs parallel to the first. I'm then drawing a third wing that extends from the outer corner of the eye and downwards and almost onto the cheek. I'm taking my favourite mascara that comes with a lash primer to apply before your actual mascara. You can go ahead and use your favourite black mascara and apply it to your top and bottom lashes. I'm using the end of a small paintbrush to dot 3 blobs of liquid latex in between the wings of my eyeliner. If you don't have liquid latex, then eyelash glue should work just as well, and then placing 3 rhinestones onto the liquid latex. With a shimmering bronzer, I'm going in and applying that to my face with a fluffy powder brush to give a warm glow. Nothing new here, but I'm just highlighting my cheeks, brow bone, cupid's bow with Obsession's Mega Lightning highlighting powder. I'm finishing off this look with this Avon lip gloss in Nude Muse.